Man, wake up! We are going camping. It's gonna be very cold, like 15 degrees.
Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Adam Finney, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry for what's about to happen.
Need that for?
I'm going to a party, you never know. I made $250,000 off crypto today. It was so crazy, but just casual.
Found a spot. I ain't never gonna eat that. I'm buying a sleeping bag. I didn't want to buy a sleeping bag, but I'm buying a sleeping bag. All right, it is gonna be 12 degrees tonight. We just got hot chocolate. What else? What am I missing, bro?
Just the girls.
Oh, lots of girls pulling up to our spot tonight.
You fart, bro?
Nah.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. Man, you probably farted.
What's up, bro?
Go up, go down.
When it's dark and all you can see are headlights, it looks like they're not stopping at all.
Hello.
What a pleasure.
She's like, thank you for getting this guy.
We do like real estate tours and stuff.
We're trying to sell these.
Yeah, we're putting this place on the market. I just bought this and it was like $3.30, and I gave him $4, and he just looked me in the eyes and was like, "You're good, bro," and just like didn't give me change.
Some dork is gonna figure it out before it's too late. Or we die.
Like everything's gonna go wrong, but then someone figures it out.
Like, some nerd will get to it. Dude, before like a meteor hits or like it gets too hot or whatever, all the icebergs are melted and then California falls off into the ocean.
Let's go.
Nice hoodie.
Thank you. Think there's even gonna be any girls?
So many girls our age.
They're like, "Oh, you boys are here."
Sample that.
That's the North Pole.
He's smiling. You're rotating like that.
Aww.
What?
He's just like a little bear.
It's been under for so long.
What happened? What happened?
Could you see me?
Yes, it was fucking scary.
He literally didn't do anything wrong.
Come on, you got him?
Shit, dude. Holy shit. What? Don't hold your breath.
He's diabetic. Try not to laugh challenge.
You're really out already. Is that what
John's not challenge. John's not challenge. Sorry.
neck brace challenge?
We just can't stop having fun.
See, is those
It's like dude, you gotta try underwater.
It's like Drew's drowning, bro. This guy's my caddy. We're both on the same gym program, so we're gonna start looking very similar soon.
Yeah, we're gonna have the same like chest and like ab.
The ass. We're gonna have the same ass. We're on the same. It's like, yo, we're walking to a store. This girl's behind us. Like, yo, they got the same ass.
What the hell is it?
What is it?
It's apple fritter.
That's an apple fritter.
Unreal. I don't want to eat your apple fritter, man.
I don't think I want an apple fritter from like a professional place that sell like a like a bakery.
Why are you gonna say apple fritter?
Use this one.
Yeah, use it, bro.
That looks cool.
Dude, I'm so high. Wait, dude, no.
It's so stupid.
All right. You got this.
That's dangerous. Could you please chill or
What? Dude, you gotta cut that out. I can't believe you.
please hit the ball?
Best last ball wins it. Let's go, Adam Finney.
That's fucked.
I'm Finney, this one's for you. Didn't swing yet.
Oh, what was that?
Like what? Oh. I did not track where that went at all.
That's okay.
Drew won.
Thanks.
You hear Tin Lizzy and be like, that sounds delicious. That's ice cream.
Can I get the Tin Lizzy, but can I have you spit in it for me?
Like a girl named the Tin Lizzy.
a bit.
She got turned into like a robot.
Oh, I think glute spread. Glute spread.
Tried to hit him.